this country. You cannot tell us you want us to recycle Ruto, and yet Ruto amewatenga for the first 5 years. If you bring Ruto back, you should be ready for repercussions. Number one repercussion, akirudi, utalia, wewe na watoto wako. Utalia. My friend, try it. Wacha arudi, alafu utaniambia. 2027. Nasema hivi. Serikali saa hii, sisi tunataka mtu mpya. We want a new generation who can liberate this country from the shackles of corruption and impunity. Who can redeem this country from police brutality? Who can redeem this country from what we call enforced disappearances of our people? We have seen so many young people being abducted in Nairobi. We have seen the creation of new chambers in this country. And you are coming here to tell us that Ruto ako sawa. I think you are mad. I think you need to be examined by a doctor, by a physician, to check your brains. We have seen on television, bunduki zinalia mchana, watu wanauawa, na hiyo ni serikali ya Ruto. Alafu unakuja hapa unamtetea. Are you a real person? Are you sane? I think you are insane. If you are not sane, this is a country full of democracy. We fought for the new constitution. Ruto alikataa katiba, hakuisupport. Ruto aende miaka 5 aende nyumbani. Mnanielewa? Na kama hamunielewi mrecheshe, alafu utaona. Utasaka meno mpaka shetani arudi. Asante.